Okay, so welcome everybody to the presentation of our wonderful team legacy. For those current members, you'll see that we are busy changing our presentations because it's team legacy. You know, we're working on 3 platforms. So team legacy is, let me just hide all of that. So what does team legacy stand for? Team legacy, we are currently working on 3 platforms, okay? Of which the first one is always Lionshare, which is our building platform. And then also our second platform is the Burex platform, which is the one that we invest. And then the third one is, of course, the solar oil project, which is our passive platform, which we currently are waiting. We're waiting on the launch. And then also, as far as the confirmations that we have been receiving, is that we will be receiving at least a confirmed 10-year dividends on the oil platform. So something that everybody is waiting for in anticipation. So these 3 platforms currently are our platforms. That's our strategy for financial independence. It's Lionshare, it's Burex, and it's the solar oil project. Now, the Lionshare, as I said, that's our building platform. That is where we build our teams, get them strong, get them going, make good profit. We take that profit and we invest onto our Burex, the investment platform. We get great returns daily or weekly or monthly. Very good investment returns. And then, of course, our passive. Then we take those profits and we put it onto our passive, onto our oil project. Passive, very good nest egg for the next 10 years. So that's currently our 3 platforms that we are working on. That is our strategy for our financial independence. Now, let's get going with Lionshare. What is Lionshare? Lionshare is our platform where we actually build we do the build work there. It's a lot of, yes, it's build work, it's hard work, it's recruitment. You need to build on your front line, your teams and all your levels. That is what we use as our building platform. Now, when we talk about Lionshare, we talk about a decentralized system. Now, what is a decentralized system? That is when it's running on a blockchain, and that means that it's always transparent. So transactions, it's always transparent and it is very secure. All right, it's always secure. You are in control of your own wallet, you are in control of your own portfolio and your own income stream. It's not like a CEO of a company that controls the company. You are in control of everything yourself. Now, on Lionshare, we are working with 3 different forms of payments or income streams, which we will cover all of them. And also, it's all the payments are peer-to-peer. You'll hear me repeating this on the other platforms as well, meaning decentralized, transparent, secure, and the payments are peer-to-peer. So from the one wallet directly to the other wallet, from my wallet to your wallet, there's no third parties involved. And then also with Lionshare, your earnings are definitely unlimited. It's your choice how big of an income you want to create for yourself on Lionshare. Now, the Line 1 matrix is our first platform, or the one platform. Line 1 and Line 2 matrix, they work hand in hand. We always try and get our teams to upgrade on Line 1 and Line 2 always at the same level, right? So how do the payments or the income work on the Line 1 matrix? Will always be these 3 payments, number 1, number 2, number 3. Now, let's say, yes, guys, I know we are battling with this yellow block. I cannot get rid of it right now. It's been there and it's a hassle. I can't take it out right now, so just look past that. So, with the Line 1 matrix, you will always have, that would be you. That would be your sponsor. And these would be the 3 payments. Now, which payments would these always be? That would always be because of your direct referrals or the people, your direct recruitments, your directly your front line, so the people that you recruit straight under you. All right, so when it says 1 and 2 and 3, it means that, let's say we are working on level 1, meaning with 100 Tron values. So you would have payment number 1 or recruit number 1 coming in, and you would recruit him. That would be 100 Tron going straight into your wallet. All right, and then with the second person that you recruit, that would be another 100 Tron straight into your wallet. So that's already 200 Tron into your wallet just with these 2 people. And then when you recruit a third person, it would be another 100 Tron then going into your sponsor's wallet. All right. And that also means that it's going to cause this board, because at a level, because we call this a level or a package or a board. So that means this would cause this board to cycle and to open up everything for the next 3 payments. So let's say you recruit another 6 people. So number 4 and 5 would go into your wallet. Number 6 would go into your sponsor's wallet. It would cause the board to cycle, open it up for the next 3. All right, so that's pretty straightforward. That would be your line 1 matrix. Always your direct referrals, your direct recruits, your front line that you recruit under you. 2 payments going into your wallet, the third one going into your sponsor's wallet, re-entry, and it would cause the board to cycle and open it up for the next payments. That's the line 1 matrix, pretty much individual work. And then the line 2 matrix would be teamwork. Teamwork meaning, again, that would be you, that would be your sponsor. And these are the 6 payments that we are referring to, that we will be working with on the line 2 matrix. Where do these 2 payments come from? Those 2 we would never really know. They would be coming from they would be landing on your board because of could be coming from any other global spillovers or any other board. We would never really be able to know exactly where they come from. And then these 2 payments would always then be going to any 2 global team members somewhere in the upline. They would be blessing 2 members up there. We wouldn't know where they would go to, but they would bless 2 members there in the global upline. These 4 payments would be happening because of upgrades, pass ups, global spillovers, and things like that. So that's why we say we always try to keep our teams parallel, line 1 and line 2, always at the same level, so that you can upgrade together, so that the people can always cycle together, and the spillovers and everything can happen at the same time. So that's why it's teamwork. This payment, 100 Tron and 100, and if this is level 1, so it's going to be 100 Tron and 100 and 100 Tron, 300 Tron going into your wallet, and then that 100 Tron, the 4th one, would be going into your sponsor's wallet, and it would cause the board to cycle and then open it up for the next 6 payments. So that's why we say line 2 matrix teamwork, okay? Now, this is just a projection, just as to give you an idea of earnings that you could create for yourself. Let's have a look. Let's say you've already gone through, you've upgraded all the way through to level 16, okay, on line 1 and line 2. Now, let's say you are on level 16, and let's say you have referred 6 people, okay? By referring 6 people, your income would be 216,000 Tron. Okay. Now, if those 6 people also refer 6 people, look at your income, guys. Your income would be 2.2 million Tron. Now, if we just quickly convert that over into dollars, that would roughly be between $40,000 and $50,000, and rand, that would go over into, depending on the exchange rate, that would be something between 650 and 850,000 South African rand. All right. So that's the kind of profits that you could look or earning that you can look at when you are on level 16. Now, another example, if you have to cycle meaning every board is filled up with a payment and it cycles and it opens it up for the next payment. So if you have to cycle once on each matrix, meaning line 1 and line 2, on all the platforms, on all the packages. If you have to cycle once, that means that your total profits would be 216,600 Tron. Now, guys, if you have to take that over into dollars, it's going to be roughly, depending on the exchange rate, about $5,600, $5,700. Okay. Rand-wise, it's going to take you through to about 95 to 97,000 South African Rand. So, guys, that is the amount, the kind of earnings and profits that you are looking at on LionShare. So that's why LionShare for us is a building, that's the building platform. That is where we get our teams in order and get them strong, build their teams, build our frontline. And that's where we make these kind of earnings. Now, just as an example, this is a typical example of what your line 1 matrix looks like. Exactly the same for line 2 and line 3, all with 16 levels. Okay, so you start at level 1, or you start at the level that you can afford to, and then you upgrade all the way through to level 16. Okay, line 1 with your this is your line 1 with obviously now with your direct recruitments or direct referrals. Line 2, exactly the same, level 1 right through to level 16 with your teamwork, the six ways of your 6 different payments over here. Line 3, exactly the same, also starting off at level 1, going right through to level 16. Now, what happens with line 3? Line 3 works separately from your line 1 and line 2. Where line 1 and line 2 work, they work together with the recruitment and the upgrades and the pass-ups and the global spillovers. Line 3 is working with depth, with 15 level. It's a uni-level, also on 16 boards, but it's 15 levels down that we earn commission. Okay, level 1 meaning your direct frontline. So on your level 1, you will be earning 20% commission on those transactions. Okay, on your level 2 and level 3, you'll be earning 10% on those transactions, and then from level 4 down to level 15, a lovely 5%. Right, so when you look at these kind of transactions, they should be happening on a daily basis in your wallet, because it's as there is movement and upgrades and things happening and cycles happen in your teams and in your teams below you, these kind of transactions should be happening on a daily basis. So you should see like a $10 or a $20 or a whatever, 100 Tron or a 200 Tron, and a percentage of that on a daily basis into your wallet. So this is a very nice daily income that we are looking at on line 3. So definitely massive depth and width on line 1, line 2, and then line 3 with your massive depth. Now, to get going on LionShare, easy. You just need to decide whether you want to run it from your PC, your laptop, or your cell phone. And then the next step would be to download your Tron wallet to make sure that you've got a sufficient balance, enough Tron, to make sure that you have got enough Tron to enter on the level that you want to on LionShare. And always make sure, you know, if you want to get going on line 1 and line 2 and line 3, it's going to be 300 Tron. But 300 Tron is not going to be sufficient, because you're going to have gas fees and transaction fees. So always something extra, 10, 50, 20, 30, 40, 50 Tron extra, always, to make sure that you've got enough funds. It's like a bank account. You need your enough funds also for your transaction fees. Okay, so make sure you've got enough balance to enter on the level that you want to. And then the next step would be to get your sponsors link so that you can register under them. And then boom, number 4, once you are registered on LionShare, you will be making money immediately by recruiting getting your frontline and their teams onto LionShare below you. So that's when you start building your team, that is how soon you can start earning money. And as I said, as you recruit people directly under you or these upgrades, it's an instant payment from the one wallet straight into the next wallet. So that is Lionshare. That's our first platform that we prefer to start everybody on. That's the strategy. They start on Lionshare and build the teams and build them strong. And then from there, we migrate the team exactly as they are in the same formation. We move over to our investment platform, which is the Burex platform. That's where we invest and we get daily daily and monthly accruals. Well, it works on daily accruals, but some of the long-term projects or contracts are like 200 days where you would get a lump sum at the end of the contract. But very good platform to invest on. And also we do get a lot of questions from the people, and they want to know, how legit is the Burex or the Burex platform? Very, very, very legit, very stable. It's a legal financial company that's incorporated in Australia in accordance with applicable international law, all right? The main staff of the company at the time of registration was 217 employees, okay? And all the certificates are in place. They are there. Our guys from the US, they have been to their offices. They sat down with these people. They have had a look at all the certificates, all the paperwork, and it's absolutely 100% legit and very stable. The authorized capital of the company is $75 million. So that already gives you an indication that it's very secure. All right, so doing very well. And you will find all of this also in our presentation and the PDF presentation. So yes, absolutely very secure, very legit. Now with Burex, we are working with 4 different income streams. Okay, the one is where you earn from your own investments. The other one is where Burex actually blesses us with additional bonuses, which is absolutely amazing. And the bonuses range from $1,000 to $3 million, all right, for reaching new ranks. So that is an absolute blessing. And then also the referral program for active leaders and partners, build a team and earn up to 29%. So that's your referral remuneration. So you also get, 15 levels down that you get your percentage on those. And then also exclusive prices that Burex offers to the members. They, like real estate, cars, and other gifts for an active participation in the life of the company, which is absolutely awesome. So it's, a lot of people going through all these ranks sometimes have to do a reality check to realize this is really real. So yes, Burex are a lovely platform to earn an income individually and also globally as a team. Now, these are the 4 different systems or platforms that you can invest. Okay, some of them are short-term and the others are long-term. On the total return swaps, now, first of all, let's start with this. You can either invest in dollars or in Bitcoin, or dollars on Bitcoin or in Ethereum. Now, when you need to, with the total return swaps, the basics of this is it's a deposit plan with daily payments. In other words, daily accruals and withdrawal of the invested amount at the end of the term. So if it's 15 or 20 days, you get your investment back at the end of the day, at the end of the period, and also your investment plan. It ranges from 1.4% to 1.8% daily, depending on what you invest with. All right, so 15 to 20 days, you get your full investment back, or your full deposit back at the end of that period, and you do daily accruals, and you also can do daily withdrawals on your total return swaps. Now, your interest rate swaps, also a deposit plan with a floating interest rate, also daily payments, so daily accruals and daily withdrawals. and a return of your investment amount at the end of your term. All right. So your profit ranges from between 1.5% to 2.1% daily. So it's daily accruals and daily withdrawals as well, and getting your full investment back at the end of the period. The currency swap, the deposit plans with an increased interest rate, also with daily accruals, without withdrawal of the invested amount at the end, because it's quite a big in percentage that you do receive. So we can understand why that happens. And also with your commodity swaps, it's up to, the commodity swaps could go up to 200 days where you could get up to 840% return. All right. So that's why you've got short-term and long-term, they call it contracts. So you just need to decide whether you want to go with a short-term one or the long-term one. This one, the total return one, the total return swaps is the one that a lot of people are working on initially. The commodity swaps is also a big catch for a lot of people. And I'm just going to give you a very quick example. If you go with 150,000, let's make it rand, times 840%. So that's 200 days, guys. It's 1.2 million. Okay, back. Just like that, 840%. So that is the difference between your short-term and your long-term, but very good returns. People have been comparing this a lot with other investment platforms where they actually lack with the percentage, because Burex is currently offering more in terms of percentage. So again, a very good platform to invest. So what we do, also there you can see investment in US dollars, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay. And why this is also good, the dollars, the Bitcoin and the Ethereum, is because this works lovely hand in hand with our third platform, which we'll come to now. So this is just a quick indication as to the ranks that you would be following, that you would be going through, from silver consultant, where you would start off with, right through to diamond director. And as a silver consultant, where you start off with your level 1, the people directly below you would be earning 6% on their investment, and below that you would be earning 3%, and so it goes down. Okay, so you could either come in as an individual, or you would find a lot of people approaching you and saying, I don't want to work with a team. I'm 75 years old. I just want to make a solid investment. And that's what they do. They invest for their, that's what they want to do. But then, like most of us, we as Team Legacy, we work as a networking team, multi-level marketing team. We come in with teams. So we obviously get good investment on our own investments, and we also earn together as a team through all the ranks. Okay, so very good platform for a multi-level marketing team or a networking team. So that is Burex, and that is our investment platform. So what we do then is we take our profits from Burex, and then we go over onto our oil project, the solar oil project. That is our passive income. Again, as confirmed by the oil companies, it's going to be good dividends for the next confirmed 10 years. All right. That is the solar oil project. We are currently waiting on the launch of that, for us being in the pre-launch window. So it's going to be good revenue from the oil production. And again, you can see that we are referring to a smart contract. Okay. The same as when I mentioned the smart contract with Lionshare. No human errors. So it's running on a smart contract. It's safe, it's secure, and it's nobody can hack into it or can change or manipulate that. So looking very forward to be having that with the oil project. Now, what's happening with the oil project? There is currently a major ecological crisis worldwide, because there's millions of abandoned oil wells that are leaking methane. Okay. Currently, that is the problem that we are currently they are currently sitting with. And that is, in a nutshell, the solution that we are getting with the solar oil project. They are moving from these traditional oil pumps to the eco-friendly pumps, all right? That is what the solar oil project is all about. That is the solution. Millions of underutilized oil wells have been created. It has created a limitless opportunity, and we all know, I just want to go quickly here. We all know what we are using the oil for. So there's a huge need and a demand for oil. Okay, so that is what we are moving. That's what we will be working with. The eco-friendly pumps. That's hence the name Solar Oil Project. And obviously you and I will be benefiting while will be restoring the planet, because it's going to be eco-friendly. Now, how will this work? How's it going to start off with? You would have to register, and this is of course where we are waiting. At this point in time, we are waiting for our piece of gold, which is that link that we are all waiting on, all right? So we'll be setting up our account, and then we'll be purchasing and staking our tokens, which will be the Solar Oil Access Token, the SOAX. One of them would be 0.10, okay, with a minimum of 200 of them. So the minimum that we're coming onto the oil platform will be $20, okay? Bitcoin or Ethereum. And the instructions and the advice that we are currently getting from our crypto guru is to come in with Ethereum, because Ethereum, the value will be climbing. At the end of the day, it's going to be your personal choice, but most of us will be coming in with Ethereum, but it's your choice. And then earning rewards for 10 years, as confirmed by the oil company's dividends for the next 10 years, confirmed. Okay, so very good nest egg for the next 10 years for you, your family, and everybody. So each barrel of oil will be equal to one new production token created and issued by the smart contract. Okay, you will hold or convert at the current oil market price in exchange for Bitcoin or Ethereum. So just to give you an idea, the global oil price will always determine the value of the SOPX. So again, no one person will be making up these values. It will be determined by the global oil price. So this will definitely be something that will be going huge. For those of you that are active on our WhatsApp and the Telegram groups, you can see the excitement and if you make your calculations, do your calculations, you will see that this is definitely going to be definitely huge. Now, also, there will also be 6 degrees of rewards, meaning levels down. Your personal level, okay, personal level, which would be your direct referral, you'll be getting a 10%. Then level 1 would be 3%, level 2 would be 2%, and so it goes down to level 6 with 1%. So again, your multi-level commissions on that. So again, pays instantly with either Bitcoin or Ethereum. So that is why these 3 platforms are working so beautifully together. The Lionshare building, and then the Burex, where we invest dollars, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and exactly the same with the oil, where we will be working with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it's an absolutely hand-in-hand combination that's going to work absolutely wonderful. And I can see the excitement with everybody signing up onto Burex, and immediately it's just like a good, it's like a good movement. Bitcoin, Ethereum together on both platforms. So that gives you an idea of the, let me go back to that, of the 3 platforms that we are working on, which is our Lionshare, and Lionshare, the Burex investment one, the solar oil, the passive one. That is our total strategy for our financial independence. The building platform Lionshare, that's where we're earning Tron. We take our profits, we invest on our Burex platform, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or dollars, and those investments we take and then we invest that onto our solar oil project. And and that's going to be passive. So this is when we talk to people about this, the people are, you don't even have to convince them, they are in and they say, right, let's get going with Burex, let's get going with solar oil as soon as that comes in. At the moment, we are in a sort of in a gray, I don't really want to say gray area, but because we are waiting for the launch of the oil project, we are sitting with a lot of new members coming in now in the middle of this whole launch. So yes, there will be people at this point in time that we put the lion's share for them on hold, not on hold, just say, right, let's get them going onto Burex first and then onto solar oil, and then we sort them out on lion's share. But strategically, that's we always build lion's share first, then Burex with the profits we invest, and then we enter our passive platform with the solar oil, and that works together like absolute, like a bomb, like a bliss. So we're looking for like-minded people, working with us together as a team, so that whatever we do as a team. And whatever platform we do find in the future is also very viable for us. At this point in time, it's only these three. What we do is we take our teams as they are, we copy them, we migrate them as they are straight over onto the new platform. We don't have to recruit from scratch. All we do is we just duplicate our team as it is onto the new platform, and everybody starts earning at the same time. And that is what we are doing, and that is why we as Team Legacy, we stand for transparency and we stand for integrity. There's a lot of people that have been abandoned, that we are currently helping, picking up, getting them onto our platform, into our team as part of the team, and we move forward together as a team. So that is our Team Legacy. Now, if there are any questions, do we have any questions from anybody at this point in time? Any of the new people? Let me just see that you can unmute yourself.